Hello student, today we are going to start with lesson number 4, the Supreme Court, Social Science, Standard 8, second semester. Law means rule, is required for the safety and welfare of people. When any citizens or institutions break any law, that is rule, a specific means certain process is followed to address the issue. There is a hierarchy. Hierarchy means ranking of courts to impact. Impact means passed on justice in our country. It starts with the Taluka Court as the lowest court, succeeded by the District Court, the Higher Court and the Supreme Court. The judiciary is one of the most important organs of the government. Judiciary is kept independent from the legislature and the executive. What does independent judiciary means? Is there any relation between the courts in our village or city and the Supreme Court located in Delhi? You will get the answer of these questions in this chapter. What is the role of the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court is the highest among all the courts in the nation. It came into existence on 28th January 1950. It holds the right of conferring. Conferring means consulting the fundamental rights granted. Granted means allowed to us by the Constitution. Citizens have the right to file an appeal directly in the Supreme Court if any of his or her fundamental rights has been violated. Violated means broke. Any citizen or institution can file a petition. Petition means appeal in the Supreme Court to avail. Avail means make use of justice in the view of public interest. This is known as PIL, that is public interest litigation. Litigation means legal action. The Supreme Court interprets. Interprets means explain the Constitution and advises the President and the Parliament of the same to the same regards. It also enjoys the power to review. Review means study the judgment passed by any of the lower courts. The Supreme Court solves disputes between citizens and the governments, between states and between the center and state. To understand this, let us study the Save Narmada movement of Gujarat. There was a protest. Protest means objection against increasing the height of the Narmada Dam above 110 meters near Navagam. Environmentalist organizations and NGOs from Madhya Pradesh and other regions were fighting for the rights of the tribals who would lose their land and habitat forever due to this project. The Supreme Court passed a judgment on 8th March 2006 to resolve. Resolve means settle this conflict. Conflict means fight between the two states. It stated means said that in accordance with the rising population, it was necessary to carry out this project. There was a possibility of a positive development in the environment and benefits to all the living beings due to the Sardar Sarovar Yojana. The arid means dry areas of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh would get water, and the expansion means growth of desert could be kept under control. Proper rehabilitations of the tribals affected by this project should be given the top priority. Priority means immediate, and hence their fundamental rights could be protected. Next, why is judiciary independent? Imagine yourself into a situation. Situation means position where a powerful person captures means takes the land belonging to your family and you go to the court to get your property back. But the system is such that a powerful or influential person can remove or transfer a judge from his or her post. In such a situation, the judge would favor the powerful person only. So, if judiciary is deprived of freedom, if powerful or influential people can control the judiciary, there would be no impartial. Impartial means fair judgment. That is the reason why our constitution does not allow such kind of interference. That is why judiciary has been kept independent from legislature and executive. Thus, once the judges are appointed in the High Court and the Supreme Court, it becomes very difficult to expel. Expel means throw out them from their respective position. If an individual feels that his or her fundamental rights is violated, he or she can go to the court. Next, are the courts at various levels connected with one another? Yes, they are. To understand this, let's understand the procedure. Procedure means method of filing a petition. If an individual finds the judgments given by the lower court not satisfactory, then he or she can file a petition in the upper court. To understand this concept, let's discuss a case. There were few houses in the southern direction where Ratlam municipality had constructed road. Behind these houses was an old road leading to the government college. Near the junction means joint of the old and the new municipality road, ran a culvert. Culvert means drain or gutter of dirty water. Industries released dirty water infested. Infested means overrun with chemicals in this culvert. Culvert means gutter or drain. It had become the source of foul. Foul means dirty smell and mosquitoes. Slum dwellers answered the natural calls by the sides of this culvert means gutter. The health department had failed in controlling the mosquitoes. The residents had repeatedly written application to remove the dirt around it, but the health department failed to take care of it too. As a result, the resident appealed in the Taluka court, that is, court of the subdivision magistrate. Next, the magistrate gave the verdict. Verdict means judgment in the favor of the residents. First of all, judgment, that is verdict by the Taluka court. Municipality and town improvement trust have failed in their duty of maintaining cleanliness. Both the institutions are ordered to cleanse the place with immediate efforts. Within 15 days, the work of closed drainage should be completed. Next, the municipality challenged this verdict. Verdict means judgment in the Ratlam district court. The judgment by the district court, the judgment of the Taluka court is declared to be unfair. Next, the residents challenged the verdict. Verdict means judgment in the High Court. The High Court sustained means supported. The verdict means judgment of the Taluka court by adding to the verdict, that is judgment. Next, judgment by the High Court. For a closed drainage system, 7 months time is given instead of 15 days. The pits should be filled with soil to stop the water accumulation. Accumulation means collection and mosquitoes breeding. Breeding means reproducing. All work should be completed within 2 years. Next, Ratlam municipality was unhappy with the verdict, that is judgment, and so it moved to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court sustained means supported the judgment of the Taluka Court and further ordered that next judgment by the Supreme Court. The chemical and the dye plants which were responsible for the pollution should be closed with the joint effort of the municipality and the state government. Next, can any citizen appeal in a court? We have learned that any citizen can appeal in a court for the protection of his or her fundamental rights. But in reality, poor people find it very difficult to go to the court. The legal means lawful procedures. Procedures means method. Not only require a lot of money and paperwork, but also it is very time consuming. Time consuming means time taking. For a poor person who is illiterate means uneducated, and inquiring means earning irregular income, it becomes really tough means hard, to go to court and demand justice. Keeping this fact means reality, in mind, the Supreme Court announced the provisions means facilities of the public interest litigation, means litigation means legal action, that is PIL, in the year 1980. With this, the Supreme Court has made an effort that maximum people can reach up to court for justice. Any individual or institution can file a case on behalf of people from the deprived means poor classes. If any of the fundamental rights are being violated means broke, then a citizen can appeal straight in the High Court or the Supreme Court. After 1980, PIL was used to bring justice to many deprived means poor sections of the society. For example, PIL were filed to free laborers for inhuman labor or to release the prisoners from the jail in Bihar after their term of punishment was over. If the Supreme Court finds any PIL regarding fundamental rights and or its implementation means applications inappropriate means improper, then the court may punish the person, group of people or the institution. With this, we have completed with the lesson the Supreme Court. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.